Here's another great buy for you. It is a 2014 F-150 FX4. Just over 61,000 kilometers on it, so low kilometers. See the step bars, big wheels, tailgate step, reverse sensing, backup camera, trailer tow. See the power sliding rear window, remote entry, remote start, trailer tow mirrors with the power fold, full leather power heated front seats, moonroof. We have navigation. Very nice low kilometer 2014 F-150 you're going to find only at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.